morning, welcome back to the vlog. I am Paulides and these are the Flatbed Diaries. So I am down in Barford West, Southall, delivering two sections of a sculpture. This store, refurbish and do the installation, ripping out of sculptures, mainly metal I think. Got some bits and pieces, I think they came from Germany, not entirely sure. Waiting on Wayne to come and offload me and then running down to Hastings. Delivered me other little bits this morning into Kodiak Data Centre at Farnborough. Did about 4 hours yesterday running down, got parked up within an hour of my delivery this morning. Now just waiting on Wayne to turn up so I can get tipped. I need to get to Hastings by 2, which is going to be a push, but we'll see. Anyway, come back to you in a bit because it's cold and I want to get back in cab, but the cab's a mess. Yeah, catch you in a bit. Happy New Year, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got a different wagon today. So, took mine to Scania on Friday, defected a little issue I had last before Christmas. They plugged it in and decided it needs a new ECU. And they won't give it back to me, which annoyed the office quite a lot because no one had told them. So we just went down to pick it up and told we couldn't have it. So now I'm just using this one for today. Hopefully get mine back tomorrow. The part was meant to be arriving today. Just trying to find the forklift driver to load me up with some bricks to go to another site. Don't mind me, I'm using my new phone with the dual record feature to do this bit. I have got the cameras with me, but I haven't sorted them out yet. And I'll come back to you later in the week, hopefully when I got my wagon back. Catch you later. It's one of them days where you wish you had your own wagon, all your gear, all good straps and some nets, because they are in awful condition. So strapped over, strapped back and forth front, only going half an hour up the road. We'll keep an eye on it. Catch you in a bit. Happy New Year! Welcome back officially to the Flatbed Diaries. If you don't know, I am Paulie D, the Flatbed Trucker. Here you join me today back in my wagon, picked up from Scania this morning after it went in for 6 weekly on last Friday. Went to get it Monday morning and it needed an engine ECU. So they won't give it back to us, even though they didn't have the part. It didn't arrive till yesterday, but they wanted to keep the wagon because it had break down. So if I sound a bit odd, I am full of cold. However, I am also extremely excited and anxious a little bit because I entered one of those online raffles last week, paid £35.60 for 10 tickets, and then last night while I was tucked up in bed full of colds, I had 2 missed calls, a missed WhatsApp video call, and then a message which I got this morning when I woke up saying, "It's the giveaway guys, please give us a call, please call us back." They've been in touch this morning and it appears I've won a motorcycle. Not just any, it is a Harley Davidson Fat Bob, the bike that I actually wanted. Obviously that's why I entered that particular competition. So I'll believe it when it turns up. Until then, I have high hopes, but there's always that nearly little bit that thinks it could be a scam. Trustpilot says it's 4.4 out of 5 stars, so that gives you some confidence. So that is, yeah, exciting. Already had a quick word with Paul and see if I can store it in the warehouse for a couple of months, and also when I'm riding it to work, if I can park it inside so it's not out in the car park when I'm away. All of that is approved. He's absolutely fine. He can store it, and we'll find somewhere to park it so it's safe while I'm at work. So, enjoyed my day out yesterday in Volkswagen. Bob with a HIAB, check him out on TikTok. Or Bob with a HIAB job, I believe it is. He's still off. I believe he's on holiday now, but he's had about 3 months off with then his broken wrist repaired surgically. So he's been recovering from that. I think he's going to Ireland for a couple of weeks. Nowish, before he comes back to work. It's a really lovely wagon, is that R500. Drives really nice, it's really comfortable. Shame I didn't get to play with Crane, but yeah, it is what it is. Still no update on what's going on with the HIAB trailer. So, no sign of that yet, still. This morning I am going to Manchester Traffic Centre to pick up a 40-foot reefer from M&S. Johnny is already over there. He's loading him and then loading me. Bring that back to container base at Leeds. Then it's back to the yard, throw the curtain sider on, and out to Grimsby to pick up some domestic lifts to bring back to the warehouse, either for storage or for onward delivery. We're not overly busy at the moment. Hopefully it'll start settling down soon, get back into a normal routine. Actually went home at Monday lunchtime because there was nothing to do with my wagon not being ready. No other spare vehicles because 2 of them were getting cameras fitted, getting the London kit fitted. So no spare wagons. I'm going to cut you loose and we'll see what we get for the rest of the week. Today being Wednesday. Wednesday today. Tomorrow I'm meant to be going back to Bradford to pick up the load I went for yesterday morning with the wagon and drag, but they couldn't load me because they couldn't get around the yard. That's going down to Andover, and then Friday, nothing on yet. Anyway, yeah, foot gassing on, like 6.5 minutes, so catch you later.